Ambassadori juurde lähme.
Ja mis seal?
Seal, kui tahtsite vaadata kaupasid, siis me lähme sööma ja massaaži.
Võimas.
Või lähme massaaži ja sööme.
Okei.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal.
Hello everybody, it's Veera here again. Come check it out. You wanna come take a ride with my boat? Why don't you ride with my boat, girl? Why don't you off your pretty ass up in my fucking boat, man? It's beautiful, I say, it's beautiful, yeah. Rashi got the best. You wanna know why Rahi is a fetish? You wanna know why Rahi is a fetish? Yeah, you wanna know? Because I break all the sentence. That's right, all your sentences. Rahi beat up all your sentences.
Your love pours down on me, surround. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
Räägi meile, mida sa jood?
Kookost. Esimest korda elus.
On hea või? Oh my god. Amblas, kuidas kommenteerid? Vaadake, ma lükkan siia käega sisse. Vaadake, mis juhtub. Oh my god. See on nii haige tunne. Oh my god. Ja kuidas Carlosel läheb? Carlos on täiesti läbi. Nagu näha. Oh, aga Carlos, davai. Kuredi, lükka till sisse. Vaata, mis tunne on. Mõtle, mis tunne oleks, kui lükkad tilli sisse. Oh jaa, ei, aga väga õige.
Starlight guides the way. My feet struggle to touch the ground. Now we spin out of control. It's you I cannot do without. And I refuse to let this go. And I refuse to let this go.
Pango.
And I refuse to let this go.
What's up?
Bought some drinks.
What drinks?
I bought big drinks.
Very good.